I would like you to look at the screen and see the products that we have there. So you see the bottom part of the product, that is all make to order. The top half that has the housings, it is make to stock. So from what the reason why I say that is because we have two types of production styles going on in our manufacturing setup. So as I mentioned before, typically it's a SME. We have a good active user base, and what our customers typically demand is that we supply them as per their specifications as fast as possible, and that is the major challenge to us. Now, before I begin the ERP timeline, uh, we've been doing this for quite some time now, and I am trying to fit in all of that in a very short span of time. So please bear with me. So we started a long while back, and we had a very simple system. We had a very basic software just to log in details of a customer, see what all they wanted, and just supply and send the details to manufacturing. We again, after on the back of that success, we tried to build an ERP right from scratch. We miserably failed. Some time ago, I came across ERPNext, and that's where the first thing I did after installation was I tried to customize it. I fell in love with it. The next very year, I hated the same thing. And I would like to focus on these two aspects in the presentation. And today I stand before you. I've already completed 1 year in the cloud, and I'm quite happy with that. So, being a computer science graduate, and of course a master's from an Ivy League college, I did very good documentation. I understood the challenges, what all we needed, identified what the weaknesses were, and the major weakness that I could find out was that in the make-to-order segment, we had a huge variety of products. A lot of variations of so we only had about 20 products, but the variance would go up to 1 million. So each small little detail, a screw, a nut, could change. So the number of bombs that we were expecting was 1 million, actually more than 1 million. So there's a constant confusion between our marketing team, sales team, and the production team as to what can we really do, what can we make. So there's to and fro. Sometimes in the frustration, what the do, and everything there is customized. So when I was in the love customization phase, that's what we did. We prepared elaborate documentation in order to accommodate our customization in the ERPNext. And we hired a local developer. We had good initial results, and we invested in further into customizing ERPNext even more. And then something happened. So a major upgrade came in. I remember it was, I think, upgrades the version 7. It broke all our customization. Then from India, people, they would realize there was a major tax reform. GST had come in. So all the customization that we had planned before GST failed. We were working with a service provider who was working with ERPNext for the first time. So it could be that he committed on everything that we said. So he said yes to everything. And we ended up revising the specs. It was like a wish list. And the cost went up 3 times. So we ended up with a quotation of upwards to 21 lakhs in customization. So environmental support issues have been resolved. That's a good thumbs up to Frappe there. Then some of the major things that I would like to share is the achievement that we made is in how we created those 1 million items and 1 million bombs. And we basically use Python scripts to create them. And if someone's facing something similar, then I think I can help you with that. Something that really changed is that the moment we stopped using Tally, that's when everything started kicking in. Otherwise, people won't go on board. So we had to really push ourselves. So I think these are the things that we've been able to achieve. How soon is we're still working on the how soon aspect. These are visible benefits, and these are some things that still have not been visualized. Uh, I think this is so. This is some reading material that I would like to suggest. Please do read these, and thank you.